Hi everyone! Some of you may or may not know that this year I entered the FACE Awards and I made it to the top 30! I'm so excited. I'm still so excited. I cannot believe it. And this is what I got in the mail today. And I'm going to open these boxes here with you. But before we get started, I want to thank you all for the love and support. And moving forward, I will need you. I will need your help because I won't be able to stay in this competition without your votes. So I hope you will join me in this FACE Awards journey. And let's get started. Let's open the boxes. I'm not sure which one I should start with. Maybe this one. This one. This is FACE Awards. Like really, I have no idea how excited I am. I'm sweating right here. Let's open this box. I was taking a shower this morning when I heard my dog bark and I knew it had to be the mail, so I put my robe on. I went to my front door with shampoo in my hair and all the suds with a robe on, picked up these boxes, went in and finished my shower. And now I'm going to open these boxes here with you. We hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. The sponsors are Target, Redken, Vichy, Clarisonic, Powder Room, UB, Kitsch, and Audio Network. I'm so excited. That just flew out of my hands. Okay. I see pretty packaging. What is this? What is this? What is this? Ooh, Redken. Okay, let's see what's inside. Right now when I'm opening these boxes, we don't know what our first challenge is yet, so I'm so excited and I'm hoping we have some hints in these boxes. So we have Frizz Dismiss from Redken, a Heat Thermal Mist, yes, I love that. A Bodifying Cream Mousse, that's exciting. And there's also a little card in here that says what the products are and how you can use them. Excited. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is heavy. Well, not too heavy. Ooh, it's from UB. UB? I hope I'm saying it right. Hi up Beauty. We're excited to share these UB goodies in hopes to give you the power to win the 2018 FACE Awards. And what's even more powerful is these 3 items give 3 essential school supplies to a kid in need right here in the US. So exciting. So we have a notebook. This is cute, a cactus pen cup. This is adorable. And a corkboard organizer. Look at this. So cute. I'm so excited. Thank you. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, what's this? This is from Target. In honor of earning a spot in the 2018 FACE Awards Top 30, please enjoy this good chemistry fragrance from your sponsor Target. Wild Child. Wild Child perfume with essential oils. Mischievous and bright with looks to match. Ooh, this sounds exciting. Let me smell this. I need to smell this. Now I'm trying to think if there's any clues in here about what our challenge is. Ooh, this smells good. It smells fresh. I can smell some lime in there. It's definitely citrusy. Oh, it smells good. This is a box from Kitsch. Oh my goodness, look at this. A bun form. 3 bun forms. Wow, so many hair products. Am I gonna need them? Okay, crocodile clips. I love these. More clips. Holy moly, look at all these products. Like, really, there's so many in here. Oh my goodness. So many clips. Little bows. I'm starting to get nervous just thinking what the challenge is going to be. More hair clips. I love these. When I do hair buns, these work amazing for that. Bobby pins. More hair clips. What is this? A butterfly clamp. Bobby pins. A bun shaper. So many things that have to do with buns. Wow, so many hair products. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Kitsch. Woo. There's going to be a mess around me, so try to ignore that. There's going to be boxes and stuff everywhere. Vichy, Vichy. This looks nice. Oh, this looks really nice. Let's see what's in here. This is a micellar solution. a moisturizer, Mineral 89, makeup removing wipes, yes, and the thermal water spray. I'm so excited to try this. I've never tried one of these things. So excited. Thank you, Vichy. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in here. Powder room. What's in here from the powder room? Oh, is this a wig? Yes, it is a wig. Oh my goodness, I've never had a wig. I've never tried a wig on. Well, I did for a Halloween costume, but I've never had like a nice wig. A green wig. Oh my goodness, this is nice. I would put it on right now if I knew how. This is a really nice wig. It has lace here in the front. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm excited. Thank you. And there's also a wig cap in here. Yes. And the last thing in this box is from Clarisonic. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yes, I'm gonna go crazy. I got goosebumps. I got goosebumps. It's a Clarisonic Mia too. I already have one. So this is exciting. I'm so excited to try this brush, this foundation brush. Oh my goodness. Ah, thank you, Clarisonic. It says congratulations on making the top 30. Yes. Oh, so excited. Told you there's gonna be boxes and stuff everywhere around me. Now we're gonna move on to this big, heavy box. So heavy, like I had a hard time bringing it downstairs where I'm filming right now. Ugh. This is from NYX Professional Makeup, so I'm guessing there's gonna be a lot of makeup in here. This first box says specialty. Let's open this up. My hands are shaking. I'm so nervous and excited. My hands are shaking. Look at this. Look at this. In this box we got the special effects cream colors in, I think, all the colors. And the powder to set them. Oh my gosh, look at this gold one. Silver, red, blue, yellow, purple, green, pink, brown, white, black. I am so excited to play with those. Next box is lips. Let's see what's inside this one. Look at all these lip products. Oh my goodness. What is this? This is Everything Lip Loving Balm. I didn't even know they had this. A bunch of lip liners, soft matte lip creams, lip lingeries, the powder puff lippies, liquid suede. I've tried a bunch of these products already and I love them. So excited. So excited. Oh. I moved the big box out of the way so you can see better what's in these boxes. This one says tools. Makeup removing wipes. This is, what is this? A brush cleansing pad. Lots of sponges. Lots of sponges. And oh my goodness, look at all these brushes. Holy moly, look at all these brushes. I believe these are all face brushes. And these must be eye brushes. So many brushes. A brush cleanser. 2 blending sponges. An eyelash curler. A kabuki brush. A pencil sharpener. And look at this, a brush holder to put all the brushes in. This is amazing. This is going to be so good for travel. Not that I travel that much. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Let's see what's in the next box. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So, okay, where do I start? We have a bunch of eyelashes, Wicked Lashes. These look amazing. Zing. Holy moly, look at these. These look amazing. We have eyeshadows. I love these eyeshadows. We have some jumbo pencils, black and white. What's this? That's the Point eyeliner, Epic ink liner, this brow gel. Micro brow pencil is one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. Gel liners. So many eyeliners. Oh my goodness. Another brow pencil. Tame and Frame. Oh, look at these palettes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. These are the Love You So Mochi palettes. I almost bought one a couple of days ago. These are the Avant Pop eyeshadow palettes. Some bright colors in here. Love them. I bet you these are the ultimate palettes. I already have one. I have the neutral ones. Yep, this is the ultimate multi-finish in electrics. Look at these palettes. We have so many bright colors. And the ultimate shadow palettes in the warm neutrals and the cool neutrals. I already have the warm neutrals one and I love it. So excited to have all this makeup to play with. This palette looks amazing. The smokescreen one. These are all the eye products. I'm so excited. And the last box we have in here, it says Face. Let's open this up. There's a bunch of liquid highlighters in here. A face primer. The Set It Don't Fret It powder. And also the HD powder. Ooh, a blush palette. Highlighter palette. The contour palette. Oh, what's this one? It's a new contour palette? I haven't seen this one yet. Oh, it's a cream contour palette. Yes, and then we have blushes. Bunch of blushes. Ombre blush. Matte bronzer. A couple of matte bronzers. Born to Glow highlighting palette. This looks nice. What else is in here? There's the micro contour pencils. Setting sprays. The HD concealers. There's also the high definition blushes and the Gotcha Covered concealer palette. The Wonder Sticks for contouring and highlighting. And I think all the foundation shades. The Total Control foundation. I have not tried this one yet and I'm so excited. Look, this is what the box looks like. And look at all these foundations. Oh my goodness. Yep, I think there's all the shades in here. So many good things in here. I am so excited. Thank you so much, NYX Professional Makeup, for all these amazing products. And thank you to all the sponsors as well. Target, Redken, Vichy, Clarisonic, Powder Room, UB, I hope I'm saying that right, Kitchen Audio Network. I cannot wait to use all of these products and I cannot wait to find out what our first challenge is gonna be. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm so happy to be a part of this competition and I hope you stick around and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!